Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muaz, currently enrolled in the IELTS course. So today we are in a playground to play football because my teachers are well aware of fitness. As we get bored, that's why we came here to play football. It's been a month for me, and yeah, it is very bored to stuck in a classroom, not play sports or other thing. So the teachers and all of the IELTS students came here to play a little tournament, and there is on the playground we can see 46 beige and 43. This is the first round of the football match. Um, Furthermore, in fact, you can see the teachers are also playing football, and this is very great experience for me. And I am also playing in 45 batch as a striker. So that's all. I hope it will be very experience, and I had this in my bucket list for a long time, and I am really feeling exhilarating. That's all. Assalamu alaikum.